and breathe. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, right hand on the left knee, left hand behind, and breathe. And breathe. Deep breathing. Breathe in. In. Breathe out. Now we do butterfly pose. Butterfly. Yes, very nice. Joint height के open जाता है. Here. Parallel. Very nice. मार्च हमका ऊपर जाता है. You can bend and bend joint forward bend. ये ज़्यादा कितनी हो रहा है? Knees. नीचे लिया है आणि आप इमोशन जोड़ है फटने आणि होता है top camel pose. Your camel pose. Camel pose. Anyone? Start.
Today we are at Village Panchayat celebrating International Yoga Day. Yoga is an Indian exercise, ancient Indian exercise, very much beneficial for body, mind, and soul. And it gives lot of benefits. To our physical as well as mental health and health. I request to practice yoga for 15 minutes to half an hour every day. And I request Village Panchayat Nagwa yoga sessions or yoga classes from your jurisdiction. To the people from your jurisdiction. Starting.
आज आम्ही इंटरनॅशनल योगा डे सेलिब्रेट करताय. आमगेले पंचायतान बरें दिसलें हो योगा डे थारायला ज्या वरवीं जणेकल्यान आपणागेल्या भलायकेचेर बरो प्रभाव पडपाक शकता. बरी कसरत वा एक्सरसाइज हितूंतल्यान जाता ती सदांकाळ लोकांनी कंटिन्यू करपाक जाता जाल्यार करची आनीक भलायकी सांबाळून वावरचें. आमी आयज पंचायत लेवलार तें केलां आनीक फुडाराक मुखार आमी हे चालू दवरपाक सोदताय आनी ते मुखार व्हरपाक सोदताय. लोकांगेलो आमकां बरो पार्थिंबो आसत जाल्यार आमी ह्यो वस्तू मुखार व्हरतले आनी आमगेल्या गांवच्या वाड्या पासत आमी हे करून वावुरतले. आनी एक पाटी सगळ्यांक हॅपी इंटरनॅशनल योगा डे.